Which of the following organs is innervated only by parasympathetic nerves? Ciliary muscle. The sympathetic and parasympathetic system exert functionally opposite influences on the following parameters except atrial refractory period. Tetrodotoxin blocks nerve impulse or junctional transmission by blocking sodium channels. The co-transmitter may serve the following functions: regulate the release of the primary transmitter from the nerve ending, alter post-junctional action of the primary transmitter, and itself act as an alternative transmitter. The following co-transmitter is most probably involved in mediating noradrenergic non-cholinergic relaxation of the gut. Nitric oxide. The major post-junctional cholinergic receptor is of the muscarinic type at the following site: postganglionic parasympathetic. Pseudocholinesterase differ from the true cholinesterase in that it hydrolyzes acetylcholine at a slower rate. The cholinester resistant to both true and pseudocholinesterase is bithanicol. Muscarinic cholinergic receptors are present on vascular endothelium which has no cholinergic nerve supply. The cardiac muscarinic receptors are of the M2 subtype. Cholinergic muscarinic receptor stimulation produces the following effects except a rise in blood pressure. The smooth muscle structure that is relaxed by cholinergic drugs is bladder trigon. Which of the following secretions is not stimulated by acetylcholine? Bile. Acetylcholine has no therapeutic application because its effects are transient and it produces widespread actions affecting many organs. Pilocarpine is used for glaucoma. Actions of pilocarpine include the following except cycloplegia. The following inhibitor binds only to the anionic site of the cholinesterase enzyme: idrophonium. Reactivation of cholinesterase enzymes occurs on hydrolysis of the inhibitor by the same enzyme molecule in case of the following anticholinesterase: neostigmine. The anticholinesterase action of idrophonium is short-lasting because termination of its action depends on dissociation and diffusion of the drug from the enzyme. The organophosphates produce irreversible inhibition of cholinesterase because regeneration time of the phosphorylated enzyme is longer than the turnover time of the enzyme molecules. Out of two anticholinesterases, drug X is a tertiary amine while drug Y is a quaternary ammonium compound. Then drug X will be more suitable to be used as a miotic. Neostigmine is preferred over physostigmine for treating myasthenia gravis because it has additional direct agonistic action on nicotinic receptor at the muscle end plate. The mechanism by which neostigmine improves contraction of myasthenic muscle involves repetitive binding of the acetylcholine molecule to the same receptor at the muscle end plate, diffusion of acetylcholine released from motor nerve endings to a wider area activating neighboring receptors, and activation of motor end plate receptors by neostigmine molecule themselves.